Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can convert BNB to USDT in MEXC Global or MEXC. So once you're here, you will just have to click login, and of course, you will enter your correct credentials. And once you've already logged into your account, you will be redirected to the dashboard. And once you're here, you will look for the trade section or trade tab. It really depends on the layout of your version. So once you see trade, you will just have to click it and then select convert, and then you will select the BNB as the coin to convert and select USDT as the coin that you would want to receive. And then you will just have to enter the amount of BNB that you would want to convert and review the exchange rate and fees, and you will just have to click review a preview and then click confirm. Your BNB will convert instantly to USDT and appear in your wallet. And by the way, always verify the coin selection and amount. Using MEXC Convert is faster than trading on the spot market. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.